Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 54-inch bar, and that measures from tip to tip. And that is a roller nose bar. And that fits on the McCulloch chainsaws, Super Pro 125s, or it'll also fit on your Homelite Biggs 650, 750 chainsaws. You can see it's got the universal bar pad. It comes with a new 404 chain, skip tooth. Skip meaning the spacing between the teeth here. See, we've got a spacing between the teeth. That's a sequence. 63 gauge, which is the width of the driver. Driver is this part right here. And we'll show you that does fit on a Mac or a Homelite. Fits on there great. And I've also got a 750 here. I'll show you it fits on that. So if you're needing a long bar for your big saw, here's a great buy on one.